Right, the machine's up to pressure, it's on. So to ensure you're getting fresh water through the machine when you turn it on next time, I always find it's good practice just to kind of drain it down once you're finished. So ensure there's no power, so turn it off. Pressure's still there, the only thing that remains in that, and so by turning it off you're disabling it to stop from filling. Open up the hot water tap, drain it down. Okay, nearly empty, pressure's going down. Okay, so when you've done that, always make sure you close the tap. Okay, it's down to 0, so next time you turn the machine on, it's going to have, it's going to fill with fresh water. What happens on, well, any machine with like dual boilers or heat exchangers, people only use the steam part. So in only using the steam part, that water should always come out clear like that. If you don't do this, it ends up going, it's safe, but it ends up kind of going just really murky. And so yeah, it's just good practice. You don't have to do it every time you use a machine, but kind of like once, even once a week. But I do it every time I turn the machine off at the end of the day.